Okay, today we are going to show you our new tools, sharp tip tweezer by Gunold and a curved tip snipper by Gunold. Okay, so from this video, we will show you how to unpick. This is not your normal tweezer. Okay, firstly, you put your first finger underneath the thread wherever you want to unpick, so that you have a strength to lie on it. The second thing, hold your tweezer this way, and then you see the sharp tip is very easy to penetrate through the thread, and then you pull. Okay. Same thing for the next one. It's very easy to unpick. The material of the tip is actually a stainless steel, so it has some weight and it's very easy to handle. Okay. So you see I go by distance, I no need to unpick one by one. So lastly, you grab your tweezer and then pull the thread in the back. Okay. So now we've left with the first and the last stitches, whereby it's a reverse stitch. So you can actually use your snipper to cut. You use back the tweezer. It's very easy. You can interchange to use it. Okay, so last step. So you see the unpick is done.